How many arrangements can be made with the letters of the word mathematics? If
Yes.
the 6 parts are there, there is no restriction. Vowels occur
Okay.
together.
First question. If there is no restrictions, how many arrangements can be made with the letters of the word mathematics? If there is no restriction, write the word mathematics. So how many M's are there? 2. A, 2 M's, 2 A's, T, 2 T's, H, E, I, C, S. In all 11 letters, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So 11 letters are there. So if there are no restrictions, so number of words will be what? Means number of ways of arranging all the letters of the word mathematics will be what? Is it not factorial 11 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2 into factorial 2? Okay. As there are two alike objects and 5 different. So, and out of 11 letters. So total number of arrangements factorial 11 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2 into factorial 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And what will be the answer then? You can find it.
So 4989600.
498960 na?
00.
Yes. Okay. And second answer. Second question is read the second part.
So the vowels occur together.
All vowels occur together. How many vowels are there? 2 A's, 1 I, 1 E. These 4 vowels are there, out of which 2 are alike. Hai. So first we will arrange these 4 as a bundle, as a unit. Okay. Then we write number of ways of arranging 4 vowels having 2 alike equals to factorial 4 upon factorial 2, that is 12. Now this is considered as a single unit. So what will be the number of units now? We have 11 letters in all. Subtract these 4 in place of these 4. We have a single unit containing all 4 as they are always written together. Is that clear to you? So 12 minus 4 in all there are 8 units. These 8 units containing what? 2 M's, 2 T's. 2 M's, 2 T's. 4 vowels bundle, which is considered single. All 4 vowels A, E, I, E are already arranged in 12 ways. They are also considered as single unit. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. This is single unit. Is that clear to you, everyone? This is the single unit of vowel. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. then H, C, S. So in all there are 8, which contains 2 M's and 2 T's also. Is that clear to you? So they have 2 M's and 2 T's repeated. Is that clear to you? They have 2 M's and
Yes, sir.
2 T's repeated. So the number of ways of arranging 8 objects. This time it is 8 objects. Having two alike M's and 2 alike T's. And these are already rich, all these are different. This is considered as a single unit. Will be given by factorial 8 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. Is 10,080, na? Now, first we have arranged 4 vowels having 2 alike is in 12 ways. Then we have arranged the remaining objects, all the objects in 10,080 ways. And this and is the main thing. Are done together, and means we will use principle of multiplication by writing what? Number of ways of arranging what we have arranged? Letters of word mathematics so that all vowels are together. Equals to, first we have arranged the vowels, then considering them as single unit, all the 8 units are arranged in 10,080 ways. So the total number of ways will be 12 ones are 12, 0, 9, 60. So 1,20,960 must be the answer. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to copy it?
Don't occur together.
Third part we have to write all consonants together. How many consonants are there? All consonants are together. How many consonants are there in the word mathematics? M-A-T-H-E,
The 7.
M-A-T-I-C-S. 2 M's, 2 T's. Okay. Then H, C, S. So there are 7 consonants in all. So number of ways of arranging 7 consonants. What will be the number of ways? Can you tell? Number of
So factorial then
7 consonants. Having what? 2 alike M's and 2 alike T's is given by factorial 7 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. That is 1,260. Is that clear to you? Now number of units. What will be the total number of units now? From 11, these 7 are subtracted at all to make a single unit. 11 plus 1, 12 minus 7. There will be 5 units containing 2 A's only. Okay. So they are 2 alike objects. Na? So number of ways of what? Arranging 5 units. Is that clear to you? Having
yes, sir.
2 alike will be what? Is it not factorial 5 upon factorial 2? That is 60. Na 120 by 2. So the total number of base will be obtained when we multiply these two. Total number of words formed from letters of the word. This we have to write in our mind also. The total number of words formed from letters of the word mathematics. So that what? So that all consonants are together will be given by the product of these two, as these and these are done together. 126 6 are 756. So it is 75,600. So there are 75,600 ways of arranging the letters of the word mathematics so that all the consonants are together. Is that clear to everyone? So the next, read the fourth part now.
M is at both extremes.
M is at both the extremes. So first letter is M, last letter is M, remaining letters 9. Remaining letters 9. Having what? 2 A's, 2 T's, and H, E, I, C, S. So number of ways of arranging these 9 letters, having 2 alike, and 5 different. Factorial 9 is 1 factorial 4. So what will be the answer? It will be 907. Huh? The 288 is also there. 907200. Okay. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, fifth part, read the fifth part. This time I have not written the complete statement. You must have understood. If any doubt, then tell me, I will explain it again. Anyone has doubt?
No, sir.
Now read the sixth part, no, fifth part. M is at both the extreme is the third, is the fifth part only. Okay, this we have discussed fifth part. For this we have discussed 4 parts, so 3 parts only.
Sir,
All vowels don't occur together is the third part.
yes, sir.
All vowels do not occur together, then
So minus total when there is no restriction, minus when all the vowels occur together.
so you must have understood when all vowels do not occur together, we will write all words minus number of words when vowels occur together. But always ask all the parts. Okay, order of vowels remain unchanged. Now remember, order of vowels remain unchanged means that if you write the word mathematics, okay, if you write the word mathematics, vowels are A, E, A, I. A, I. Okay. We have not to change their order. It is same as if we write 4 A's. On changing their order, what happens if we change their order? There will be no effect. Is that clear to you? E is also A, E, A, I. Na? A, E, I. 4 vowels are there. Is that clear to you? What I am telling to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
means they are considered as four alike things. Means if we don't change their order, they are considered as these four A's. Understood? Are you not getting? These four vowels are considered as alike letters. As if we are not changing their order, means they remain the same place. A, E, A, I. Whether we write them together or we write them in different places, they are considered as single number. Single, like four A's. Then, like if you change the order of these four A's, there will be no effect. Similarly, we will not change the order of these four vowels, A, E, A, I. Means to make the order of vowels remaining unchanged, we have to consider that all vowels are alike, are just like alike letters, alike objects. Okay, is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
To make order of vowels remaining unchanged, we have to consider four vowels as four alike objects. Is that clear to everyone? So 11 letters of mathematics have now four vowels which are considered four alike objects. 2 M's which are already alike, 2 T's which are already alike, and remaining letters are H, C, S. Is that clear to you? 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 10, 11. So number of ways of arranging four alike, two alike, two alike, three different objects, letters are the same thing in this question. So it is total number of letters factorial 11, 4 vowels, 2 M's, 2 E's. Is that clear to you? So you can write its answer. 6, 5, 4 will be cancelled out over 2 into 2. Now 9 to the 18, 7 to 126, 756, 756, 3280 into 11. Add them. So is it 36,080? It must be 378. So answer will be different. 0, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. 5 carry 1. 8 plus 3, 11. 4. 4, 1. So check the answer. It's not 328, it's 370. Enough. 378.
Yes, sir.
0, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 11, 4. Is it the answer? Correct? 10, 9,
Sir, double zero.
So 415800.
This 5, 6, 30 was also there. Okay. So it is 4,15,800. Okay. Total number of words, so that all four vowels are together. Whenever four vowels are taken together, their order is not changed. They are not taken together. Their order is not changed. Means they are considered as alike letters. Is that clear to you? If all the letters of the word mother are written in all possible orders, and words so formed are arranged in dictionary order, what will be the rank of the word mother? We observe that all the letters are different. M-O-T-H-E-R. है ना? So now if we arrange with dictionary order, before M, how many words are there according to English alphabetical order in the word mother? We know that E comes before M in English alphabets in ABCD. E, H, only E and H. है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or M. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Check it. E, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. So only A and H come before M. Okay. So if we fill the first place with E or H, all these words will lie before M. Is that clear? Before the word mother. Is that clear to you? If we write all the words in dictionary order, they may have meaning or meaningless. But if we all write all the letters, if we write all the words in dictionary order, the words starting with E in the dictionary will come before mother, and words starting with H will also come before the word mother. Understood? And the remaining letters, 5 letters, are arranged in factorial 5 ways in remaining 5 places. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So the case first, if words start with E or H, so there are 2 choices of filling first place. Is that clear to you? So we write number of ways of writing first letter equals to 2, and remaining 5 places we will write the remaining 5 letters in factorial 5 ways. So we write number of ways of writing remaining 5 letters in remaining 5 places equals to 5p5, that is factorial 5, which is 120. So the total number of words before M, before the first word starting with M, will be 120 into 2, 240 words. Is that clear to you? Total number of words starting with either E or H equals to 2 into 120. That is 240. Understood? Now we will write the case when the words start with M. As after writing all the words starting with E, then all the words starting with H. All the other letters are coming after M. So there is chance to write the words starting with M. So, how many words are there if we start with M? First place, M. So, after this, we will discuss only using these box symbols. Okay. So, can you tell which letter must be the first? Which letter must be the second, must occupy the second place? This letter, in this word, mother, all the letters, read all the letters. So, what should be the first letter which must be selected to fill the second place? Will it not be E?
Yes, sir.
If this is first, and I already told you, now we will use only boxes second. And now remaining four, 1, 2, 3, 4. After writing these four, we have four letters. Which four letters?
O, T, H, and R.
E, H, and R. And we have four places. So, how many ways are there to fill these four letters in floor spaces? As there is only one choice for first place, one choice for second place, and remaining factorial four choice for first, for third, fourth, fifth, and sixth place. If the first two letters are ME, which we do not require, we require the word starting with after M, but the word starting with O. So these 24, after these 24, somewhere there will be the word mother. Is that clear to you? So before this 240 plus 24, 264 words we already have discussed, and still there is no chance of getting the word mother. Okay. Now case third, after M, if M is at the first place, and which word will now, which letter will now word occupy the second place? Can you tell?
Sir, H.
H. So one choice for first place, one choice for second place, and we are not requiring this word also. It also has factorial four ways to write the word M, H, and the other four. Is that clear to you? We are not requiring these, so leave this also. Now fourth, if we write the first letter M, second letter, what must be the second letter now? H. We have counted all the words starting with M and H. Then the M and E. Third, M and next is B. Will it not be O?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So second letter is O and we are requiring this. So we go to the third letter. So what could be the third letter? First number with third letter is after M, O. Will
Sir,
it?
E.
Yes. And the remaining three letters must be filled with factorial three ways. Is that clear to you? So six more words are there before mother. Enough? So in all there are 240 plus 24 plus 24 plus 6 words before the word mother, which already we have discussed. And in case fifth, if M is the first letter, O is the second letter, what could be the third letter? Can you tell? Out of the letters
Sir,
of
H.
H, na?
Yes, sir.
Also not the correct spelling for mother. And factorial three words are again discussed. Still we have not reached to the word mother. Now case 6. The first letter is M. Second is O. What could be the third?
Sir, R.
R comes before O. Before T.
सर ओ तो फिर टॉइस हो जाएगा
Yes,
ना
yes. R comes before T. है ना? Okay. R comes before T.
यस सर
So there are two more choices. 3 factorial 3 है ना, MOR. So again factorial 3, that is 6 choices. Next case 7. Okay, MO, then
Sir, T.
T. Okay, third letter is T. Then means first, second and third are matching. So we will discuss about the next, fourth, which must be the first of the fourth letter. When we have already written M, O and T, it's the turn to write E, which is also not the right spelling of mother. So these two letters are now arranged in factorial 2 ways. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So 2 more words are there, na? Now case 7. After case 7, there will be case 8. So first letter is M, next is O, next is T, next is H,
Yes, sir.
next E,
Sir, E.
next R.
Sir, R.
So we have reached to this word. Now add all the results in the above cases. First 240 words starting with either with E or H. Okay. Then second words, second letter E or H. 24 to the 48. So 240. You can write the second and third together also. Second place can be filled with H and E by writing. Okay, by writing. Second place can be filled with either E or H. So 2 into 24. Then third place can be filled either with E or H or R. So there will be 3 cases in all. Before the word mother, 3 into 6. Plus next is 3. Is that clear to you? 2 more cases are there. And then finally 1. So this will be the order of the word mother. 240 plus 48 plus 80 plus 3. 288, 306 plus 3, 309. So 309th word is the word mother. If we write all the words formed from the letters of the word mother, 240 plus 24, 264 plus 24, 288, 294, 300, 306, 308, 309. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Understood now? Similarly, you can write the order of your name. If all the letters of your name are written in dictionary order. Okay. Suppose if your name is Raman, so you can find the order of Raman. Okay, so practice it and your own name also. That